Car tyres are an essential part of the way the world runs today. From transporting goods and services to the mass movement of people, the world today would not be the same without the production of car tyres. The global tyre industry is expected to be worth almost $250 billion this year and will continually grow in the coming years. Let's go take a look. The supply chain model is horizontal with a higher flow downstream. Second-tier suppliers are the makers of the raw materials, such as the 10 to 15 types of silicons, or the carbon black pigment, which give the tyre its colours and other benefits to the strength. The first-tier suppliers are the makers of the wheelbase and any other part of the tyre aside from the rubber. The materials are then used to produce many different kinds of tyres by hundreds of different manufacturers. Car tyre manufacturers largely use direct sales strategies to sell to consumers, as face-to-face interactions and a view of the car tyre in person have been proven to be a big selling point to consumers. Manufacturers like Dunlop and Goodyear have retail locations in Brisbane that sell their tyres directly to customers without the need for a wholesaler. Companies like Michelin use a direct factory-to-customer delivery chain, which is continually being optimized and can make tyre wholesalers a thing of the past in the future. The chain is a push system relying on market trends to determine supply. Increased economic uncertainty in the industry leads to high or lower supply, as well as increased competition from emerging countries such as China and India, leading to price-cutting races. The reason emerging countries can compete with established industry leaders is through the upgrading technology, making the manufacturing and testing of car tyres the cheapest it's ever been. Computer analysis software such as RFID have allowed engineers to simulate performance and conditions of tyres, saving millions in the process. E-procurement has also been essential in growing the tyre industry, with research and ordering capabilities at the fingertips of consumers and other businesses alike. Benefits come from the reduced costs by reducing external spread and paperwork, as well as improving supplier quality and performance, better visibility of spending through the advanced tracking technology, greater productivity from ordering and strategic sourcing, and ever-advancing methods such as ERP streamlining the process even more. ERP, or Enterprise Resource Planning, is software developed that organizes the day-to-day business's activities such as accounting and procurement. Studies have found that ERP usage in a business with e-procurement has better efficiency and lower costs than those not using e-procurement. And the tyre industry is making full use of the continually upgrading technology. Michelin, for example, uses JDA software, an American software company that has developed an advanced ERP that provides management and planning at all stages of the supply chain process. Top tyre companies such as Michelin and Pirelli also use the Internet of Things, a sensor and data communication system that enables vehicles or items to be tracked and controlled over the Internet. Tyre companies such as Michelin have looked for performance mainly in price reduction and efficiency, as the logistics costs are so high. Michelin spends 6 to 10% of its total revenue on logistics costs and look to reduce this even more. Transport costs are also a major logistic expense due to the complexity, and tyre companies look to reduce costs in this area as much as possible, using DHL across America and Europe to transport to wholesalers and customers. The tyre industry already faces many challenges, including high logistic costs and economic uncertainty in the industry. Further challenges in the future come from primarily self-driving cars, as well as the effect of tyres on the environment from transportation and tyre waste. Self-driving cars, specifically electric cars, are hard on their tyres and have to be changed more frequently. This will drive up demand for tyres and in the future, but also reduce the variability in tyre technology due to the increased technology on the car. Primary tyre companies such as Michelin and Bridgestone are pioneers in tyre technology and driving change within the industry and are a step ahead of their competitors coming into the future. The effect of tyre waste on the environment is an increasingly important issue as the world pushes to address climate change. Sustainable tyres are on the forefront of the way the tyre industry looks to address tyre waste, with Michelin and Bridgestone again being on the forefront of the technology. The material used is different to what it is used currently, and a big concern among companies is the price, which looks to be addressed in logistics upgrades in the future. Transportation costs as well as environmental impact look to be addressed through logistical advancement, with the cost of electric trucks lowering as more competitors hit the market. Tyre companies are looking to pave a way to the top of the competition in the future, and it's all coming through logistical advancement.